Hi guys, today I will be showing you how to install and set up FSD3. So let's get started. Download FSD3 folder, link in the description. Now move this folder into a USB storage. Then eject your USB storage and plug it into your Xbox. Now go to XCX menu. If you don't have XCX menu, watch another video, link in the description. Now go to FSD3 folder and then default.xex. This is FreeStyle dashboard 3. Now go to Xbox 60 games. It is not detecting my games. So go to settings, then content settings, then manage game paths, change path, USB, and select the folder where your games are. Now save the settings. Now if you go in games, there will be the games: Hitman or Absolution, Sky Acro, WWE 2K17. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe and share.